Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Once again, I'm at the clinic waiting for Walter. So he's upstairs. So I'm downstairs in the lobby and where the lab is. It's comfortable down here. It's nice out there. They got water and like a big water fountain in the middle of the water out there. Can't see it from where I am right now, but it's pretty nice in here. So we had a good 5th of July. I'm trying to find my light. We had a good 5th of July. We didn't actually do anything on the 4th. Well, we did have one of our daughters come over with some kids, some of her kids. And on the 5th, that's when we barbecued. Jackie and Kia, they came over and barbecued. And Kalia, she's the one just had the baby. I think the baby is 10 days old now, 11 days old, something like that. She's still in the hospital because she don't know how to suck yet. She can't suckle. So they got a tube in her nose so they can feed her that way. Tube going to her stomach. So mom and baby are doing fine. We had a good time together. I just filmed a little bit. And what else happened? Amber was out of town with her family. And she got to meet up with Jeannie. That's our youngest daughter. So she FaceTimed me and I was happy to see them all together. Well, them both together. And Makai, he remembered Jeannie. See, she lives so far out of town, we don't see her often. And she was holding that big old fat Jair. Well, he's big as she is. Anyway, I'm going to sit here while I'm waiting for Walter. I'm going to put on these nails. Yeah. These are the ones that got the glue already on them. So I'm going to put these on. And perhaps I'll film. I got to get the right lighting. Y'all know I often talk about my YouTube sister, Lynette Longmire. She's in the hospital, so I'm asking for prayer for her. Okay, that's better. She needs prayer. I don't know what's wrong with her, but the Lord knows. And she's a child of God, so healing is the children's bread. So healing is for us. Okay? So I'm going to sit this somewhere where y'all can see me put on my nails. I'm going to have to go sit somewhere else. Let me see. Can't do that. That's what I got on today. Another bright top and purple capris. These are complementary colors. The opposite colors on the color chart, color wheel. I don't know if I can do this. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna try to set it up and I'll be back. Okay, y'all. I had to sit in another seat so I get better lighting. So I took these out the package, and it comes with everything you need. So you got the alcohol pad. It has a little orange cuticle stick and a fingernail file right there. So I'm going to sort these nails by size. I already took my other nails off, and they'll last till I take them off. So I don't put glue on my fingernails. They just destroy your nails. So here's the alcohol pad. Actually, I should have sorted my nails before I cleaned my nails off. But clean the nails off. I did put lotion on my hands before I left. Okay. So I'm going to sort these. I'm going to sort them, then I'll be back. Okay, I got my nails sorted from the thumb, the pointer finger, the tall man, the ring finger, and the baby finger. Let's hope I don't knock nothing off. Okay. Set this up here so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to start with the baby finger. I'm going to peel this tab off, sticky tab. Try not to touch the inside of. Put this nail in at an angle so it can go up under my cuticle. And make sure it's straight. And these are the medium length that are square, oval. Okay, that's on there. Do the other baby finger. Hello. Take this tab off. That's what I'm doing. This is a sticky tab. Put this in at an angle, like that. Put it on here lightly, and you see this is crooked, all kinds of crooked. Straighten it before I mash it down. Okay, that looks good. Now I can mash it down. It's on there, no glue. Now go for the ring finger. I'm pulling the tab off. Okay. Put this in at an angle. Lightly put it on there. It looks straight. Mash it. I got two on there. We do the other ring finger. Put that on there. It looks straight. Press it down. Okay, for the, I call this the tall man. You see my nails are fairly long, and this is the medium length, so it fits. Okay, it looks straight. Got 3 of them on. Do this one. It's cockeyed. It looks straight. Got that on there. Now for the pointer finger. Put it on there lightly till I check it, and it looks straight. The other pointer finger. Hello. I'm just sitting just outside the elevators. It's the fingernail that don't grow. It's the one that the sewing machine needle went through long time ago. And it's been messed up ever since. Now for the thumb, which is always the biggest nail. Pull this off of here. So now, one more. Trying to pull this sticky tab off. I have to use my teeth. Okay, I got it. Okay. Less than 8 minutes. I put on a whole set of nails. And I think these nails less than $10. Got me a full manicure, less than $10, y'all. And I feel proud I did it myself. Okay. This is the ring I got from Mexico. Ruby and diamond ring. I love it. Okay. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And this kind of hair I got on today. Wavy, curly, half wig. With this color headband. Go with my top.